Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this, so let me quickly find my settings. There we go. And once your whatever it is that you want to capture is open and visible on the screen, hold power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, it captures a screenshot. It gives us two options, share or scroll. I'm gonna quickly click on, oh, I didn't manage to click it before it disappeared. So I wanted to also utilize the scroll option just so you can see how that works. So I'm gonna do that once more, select scroll. And as you can see, it starts scrolling. Now I can tap on it to stop it from scrolling, which is really nice. And I can also scroll to myself however far down I want. So right now it will capture a screenshot from the very top that it started at to however far down I want. So let's just, for instance, stop at system settings. There we go. Then select done and click on the checkbox right here, and this will save our screenshot, a long version of it. So we can close this, navigate to our gallery application right here. And you can see there are two screenshots right here today. You can also navigate into albums, into screenshot. And for some reason it shows 3, but I only see 2. Wait. Huh? Oh, okay. So I just kind of captured in a way that it cuts it like right here, so I can't see anything because it's completely white. But yeah, as you can see, there is the long version of a screenshot that I have captured up to the system settings. And here's the first one, the normal one that I captured. So there we go. That is how you can capture a screenshot and also where you can find them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.